Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I got aeroplanes. Guys, I got lots of planes and now we're gonna take them all out. This is the first plane I want to show you. The front wheel can't close, but it can turn. The next plane I want to show you is this plane. It can't go up and it can turn like the first plane I showed you. The next plane I want to show you looks like this. The wheels can turn and it's gonna be here. And this is the plane I want to show you. Looks like this. The captain sits here and all the passengers go here, and when it flies the wheels go, and if it gets high in the sky no one can even see where it goes. That's going there. And this is a plane and these can turn on it. That's going there. And the final plane I want to show you is the same as that plane. These things can turn. And these two planes are the same planes. These two planes are the same. And these two planes are the same. But they're not kind of the same. They're different colors. And the wings are the same. But these wings are still the same. But these all planes can still fly. I'm really happy because when they fly, when they're moving, they reverse and the captain's wheels, he turns them. Guys, this is all my planes and this is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next video. Bye! Thank you for watching.